T. Williams, get the hell out of New Orleans. Civic Source is operating illegally. Ryan Burroughs is operating here in Louisiana illegally. Every single person hearing my voice and who will be hearing my voice, this is your remedy. In 2008, the Louisiana Supreme Court tells Civic Source that you have no authority doing business, selling property as it relates to the Avalarum tax. In 2014, the Louisiana Supreme Court once again tell this for-profit corporation doing business here at civicsource.com that there is no authority for you to join in or to do a contract with the municipal corporation known as New Orleans. Good morning, New Orleans, good morning. Good morning, New Orleans, good morning. We are here today to tell civicsource.com to get the hell out of New Orleans, to get the hell out of Louisiana. You are operating here in Louisiana without any constitutional basis. People of New Orleans, people of Louisiana, people of New Orleans, people of Louisiana, there is a company by the name of Acorn Information System LLC doing business here at civicsource.com, illegally stealing people's property, illegally auctioning people's property for a financial gain. There is no constitutional basis for Civic Source to be here selling people's property or auctioning people's property. Good morning, New Orleans, good morning. People of New Orleans, your mayor, the person who you elect to public office to serve you, your mayor, the mayor of New Orleans, Mitch J. Langer, took a bribe, took the money, took $10,000 in 3 separate increments from the CEO of CivicSource.com, Brian Burroughs, just so that this company can operate here in Louisiana illegally. CivicSource.com is operating here. Good morning. Civic Source? Okay, why you guys operating here in New Orleans illegally without any constitutional basis, selling people property where you guys know that there is no authority for you to do so?
Because we're in RFP process for most of our clients. No.
Your name is, ma'am?
I'm Ashley. I'm the HR manager here.
Okay, HR. So you recruit people to work. That's what you hire people, right? That's what HR
train.
Manage
their benefits.
Okay, are you, sir?
I'm Garrett. I'm an account manager.
Account manager. Okay, is either Byron here or any of the 5 persons that's listed on the Secretary of State's website as senior management here?
I'd like to hear what you're here for.
Okay, well, my name is Anthony Brown. Okay, I'm here as one of the concerned citizens of New Orleans, and also speaking on behalf of the whole of Louisiana. In 2008, a matter of fact, even before 2008, right, Civic Source didn't have no authority to operate here. But let's stick with a certain timeline. In 2008, the Supreme Court, in Louisiana Supreme Court, struck down a ruling, a New Orleans ordinance that was authored by your boss, Brian Burroughs, telling him, look, you have no authority to do business here in New Orleans as it relates to the Avalarum tax scheme. In 2014, in a case Jackson versus New Orleans, the Louisiana Supreme Court once again said the same thing. So you have no business selling, auctioning, or doing anything as it relates to the Avalarum tax scheme, property tax. No business at all. Okay? Let me finish. What your boss did, your boss went and bribed some people. like Mitch Landry, the mayor of New Orleans, and made Aaron G. Williamson and some other people. But that's irrelevant right now. But what they did, they went ahead and they put a constitutional amendment on the ballot for November 4th, 2014 to legitimize what they have been doing for years. Okay? So what am I saying to you? Even before 2008, there was no authority. But they want to try, because people start to recognize that the Civic Source is operating illegally. 2014, they put on the ballot a constitutional amendment. The language is, hey, somebody go into my bag and give me the amendment. They put that constitutional amendment on the ballot. The people of Louisiana, not just to New Orleans, the people of Louisiana said no. Civic Source, you have no authority to work, and we're not giving you none. However, today, as we stand here, you guys, representative of Civic Source, in this building, still robbing people of their property, selling people property illegally. What can you say about that?
I'd be happy to facilitate a conversation with you indoors with some other representatives of our company, not out here, so we can get all of our information available.
Right.
So we can have the correct information by folks, not just ourselves, but other folks who could facilitate this conversation with you. But that would only make sense in a conversation in a room. It's not immediately out here, as this is, we have not been brought to our attention by you in the past. I have not, at least since I've been here.
Okay.
So I'd be happy to facilitate that conversation with some of the decision makers in your company when we can schedule that time to have that conversation.
Okay, well, just for the viewing audience, that's not quite true. Since 2014, I've been championing the cause about this, right? The CEO and everybody is fully aware. Now, if you are an employee of CivicSource.com, Acorn Information System LLC, and you are not aware of this right here, can take it. If you are not aware of this, this is the outcome of the November 4th, 2014 general election. If you look on that document, that's the language that Civic Source, Mitch Landry, and Aaron Williams wanted to put on the ballot so that they could have authority to operate in New Orleans.
Right.
A matter of fact, not only New Orleans, but Louisiana. If you are not aware of this and you're working for this company, what is that saying about the company that you're working for? Not only that, even without this, again, in 2008, my friend, in 2008 and in 2014, the Louisiana Supreme Court tell your company, tell your bosses, no, you have no authority, you have no right to work in here. Anthony Brown know that way before the Supreme Court tell the bosses that, I guarantee you that. You know why? Because in the United States of America, we have a document we call the Constitution. And the Constitution only authorizes one person and one person only to do what you guys are doing. And it is a duly elected sheriff. You guys are doing work when the sheriff is supposed to do. Let me see a badge. Are you done? Where's the badge? You have a badge? Let me see a gun. You have a badge? No badge, no gun? Here's a sheriff. So how can you be doing the work of the sheriff? How can you be doing the work of the sheriff? How can you be taking people property? Selling people property for action. People living in their house. In one instant, up in Bogalusis, your boss, Byron, went and tell the city council, no, we don't sell property with people inside of it. Which was a lie. A member of the council called him out and said, no, you have a property on your website right now that people is living in. And just because he wanted to do business with Bogalusa, he went ahead and he moved that one person property off the website. So what am I saying here? Even though he's going around the state of Louisiana and telling people, look, we only sell certain type of property or do certain things, facts prove otherwise. He's not telling the truth. He's working outside his authority. He's doing that with the blessing of this crooked mayor. Look, your boss ain't the only crook, my friend. I'm telling you, don't feel bad about it. Your boss not only an operator for financial gain.
That's right.
The mayor of Louisiana, of New Orleans, Mitch Landry, he's also operating for financial gain. He's also, your boss give that guy money. Yes, ma'am.
Unfortunately, I need to bring them back upstairs.
Okay.
So I can come back and bring my card and continue this conversation.
Sure. Look.
Meeting at 11.
Do me a favor. Tell your boss, Mr. Byron Brown, Anthony Brown, say hi. Tell him he can call me 504-251-1203. We can talk some more. But people of New Orleans, good afternoon. Good morning, New Orleans. Good morning. Good morning.